Let's talk about the structure, basic structure of a newsletter. Mm-hmm. And the way that I think of it, just because this is my kind of rudimentary way of doing it, is I start with telling my audience what I have. Mm-hmm. I try and explain the benefits of it, and then I put in a how to get it. So click here to read more kind of thing. Mm-hmm. And then I always try and send people back to my website so I can track behavior. Mm-hmm. So it's all tracked, right? UTM codes and everything all the way. How do you advise clients to structure their emails?
So I think it depends. There's so many variables. Again, it depends what you're trying to accomplish. It depends who the audience is. It depends what the value is you're trying to give them. It depends on your own time and resources. And, I would sort of start here. At a very high level, there are three different types of newsletters. One is what I would call original, meaning it's going to be your own original writing, your own ideas. You're not linking to other articles. You're not linking to the New York Times thing. Like, it's just your thing, right? The other would be what I would call curated, which is the opposite end of the spectrum. You might be writing summaries, but it's basically a collection of links to news or resources or interesting stuff. Mm-hmm. The third is basically a hybrid of those two, right? Which I would call blended, right? So in most cases, again, it depends, but in most cases, I nudge people towards blended. And the reason why I do that is if you are trying to establish your expertise in some way, which in most cases tied to your goals, you are either establishing your expertise or developing relationships with people. If you're only sharing curated stuff, it's a little tough to do that, right? The reason why I like doing blended and not just doing original is because I think blended allows you, without a lot more effort, to provide a lot more value.